shopping at 7-Eleven in Osaka, Japan.
Let's see what they've got.
It's the tiniest small one. These white umbrellas everywhere.
Yeah, we've definitely purchased 2 of those.
Plenty of noodles.
Drinks, juices. You've got your eggs, your cold meats.
So shredded cabbage, yeah.
Oh, this is my section of the desserts there.
These snacks are good to go.
Sweet snacks. Oh, look, it's even almost empty. Bakery.
Or the bakery. Is that
Bakery
pizza slice? 168 yen.
Pre-made meals.
Oh, yeah.
They're great for lunch and dinner.
They're good, aren't they?
Look at that. Gyozas and noodles and meats. Little snack packs. And then we'll...
The fruit sandwich.
Wow.
Kiwi, peach and pineapple cream.
You haven't got a hamburger.
Oh.
Or you
Plain rice, look.
Yeah, I know. Plain rice. Let's go to my favourite.
Bit of
Oh, they're
sushi.
emptied. All these little rice ball snacks. They come in different flavours. They have been our favourite here. It's empty. Almost gone. Snack on the go. Got your ATM machine.
Look, they've got bottles of wine here as well. Is that the beef jerky?
Beef jerky, nuts. This side's my favourite. The potato
Yeah.
chips, different flavours. Yeah, we've been through a few of these. Thanks, frozen veggies, noodles. Oh, you got spaghetti. Look, you've got your spaghetti bolognese as
Cool.
well.
It's a carbonara, garlic, red chili, beautiful.
Oh, nice. Well, you're ready to go meals. Go through the ice cream.
Yep.
The ice cream's delicious. I had one last night.
Look, they've got the pork buns here as well. The chicken schnitzels, they're nice
They're
here.
our favourite, the schnitzels. They're
Is
yummy.
that a pork bun, is it? Yeah, large pork bun. They've got their beers here as well. The liquor. Right, let's head back out. Back into the street. Got the energy drinks.